Welcome to our video. When it's either time for a total kitchen equipment upgrade, or you're looking for that perfect gift-giving idea for a home cook, a new aspiring chef, or for yourself, just because you deserve a treat, I've got the perfect ideas for must-have home kitchen gadgets and items. Number 10. Silicone Ice Block and Ice Ball Mold Set. The popularity of all things whiskey in the last few years has been tremendous. If you are a whiskey aficionado, lover, or admirer, these are the silicone ice molds for you. These durable silicone ice molds make 6 of the most perfect large single cubes and 6 2-inch spear ice balls for chilling down your favorite bourbon, whiskey, brandy, or cocktail spirits without the rapid dilution that you get with small traditional ice cubes. A little mini funnel is included to make filling the ice ball mold quick and easy. Both silicone ice molds also are stackable to help save you valuable freezer space as well. Number 9. Stainless Steel Mandoline Slicer. The Decay, a stainless steel mandoline slicer, packs razor-sharp slicing precision without the fatigue of using a knife into this beautiful stainless steel and easy-to-store slicer. Perfect for those who love uniformity in their slices, shreds, or cuts. The built-in ultra-sharp blade does both conventional and julienne slicing with just a turn of the dial. Slice from paper thin all the way up to 9 millimeters thick, complete with safety gloves and a blade guard. This stainless steel mandoline slicer is smooth and stable, allowing you to make quick work of large slicing or shredding projects. Make delicious French fries or chips at home that will all cook up perfectly uniformly by using the Decay, a stainless steel mandoline slicer. Makes a great wedding or first-time home buyer gift as well. Number 8. Anova Culinary 500 Professional Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Sous Vide, or precision water bath cooking at home, allows you to cook virtually anything perfectly without ever under or overcooking the food, as it will never get hotter than the water temperature that you set. It doesn't matter if you're preparing chicken, beef, pork, vegan or vegetarian meals, eggs, or pretty much any other type of food. The Anova allows you to set it and forget it while being able to monitor the cooking process of your dish with the free Anova smartphone app for iOS or Android. Anova makes several models of precision cookers. I prefer this Anova 500 Pro model due to its ability to quickly heat up the water and to maintain temperature accurately when cooking larger batches of food. Yes, you too can take a frozen piece of meat, place it into the Sous Vide bag, and cook it to perfection with this kitchen countertop immersion circulator. Number 7. DiOro High Temperature Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. The DiOro High Temperature Cooking Utensil Set is made in the USA from durable, high-heat-tolerant silicone. Most other brands of silicone utensils only withstand heat to around 400 degrees. The DiOro utensils are heat-resistant all the way up to 600 degrees to allow for safer cooking at higher temperatures. Made from BPA-free food-safe material, you know that your family and food will remain safe from chemicals potentially leaching into your food from those other offshore-made utensils. Silicone utensils are safe for use on all types of cookware, especially non-stick, so no worries about scratching or gouging your cooking surfaces. This 4-piece set features spatulas of very different widths to allow for stirring, scraping, mixing, folding, deglazing, etc. The handles are comfortable to use, dishwasher safe, and made in the United States of America. Made from a seamless one-piece design, you don't have to worry about food getting stuck in little cracks and potentially breeding bacteria. Number 6. Multi-tire lid pot and pans organizer. We all struggle with organization in our kitchens, especially when it comes to our pots and pans and their pesky lids that always seem to disappear or migrate to the back of the cabinet where you can't easily find them. The 8-tire pot and pan organizer gives you the freedom to easily organize all of your pots, pans, and their lids and keep them tidy and readily accessible in your cabinet. Built with heavy-duty use in mind, this fully adjustable pot and pan tower allows you to custom tailor it to fit virtually any size cookware you may have, large or small, available in black or chrome. Keep your cookware from denting or getting scratched. Say goodbye to digging under piles of pans to get the one you need at the bottom. Stack your cookware on this rack eliminating countertop clutter and getting all your cookware within each reach as you cook. No stress and no hesitation. Achieve a clean and orderly kitchen with this pan organizer rack. Number 5. Rollup Silicone Dish Rack. Who wants a mess when doing the dishes? Water all over your counters, running onto the floor. The Rollup Silicone Dish Rack comes in multiple different sizes to fit virtually any kitchen sink. After you've finished rinsing the dishes, simply roll out the dish rack over the sink and let your dishes drip dry without having to worry about bacteria from a dish towel. Made from sturdy 304 stainless steel and able to hold up to 33 pounds, BPA-free, and can easily be tossed into your dishwasher as well for sanitizing purposes if desired. Also head-resistant up to 400 degrees F and doubles as a hot pad to protect your countertops. When you're done, simply roll it up and put it away in a drawer under your sink. Perfect for as well to help create extra dish draining space. Number 4. 4-piece bamboo cutting board set. A knife-safe cutting board set is an absolute must-have in every kitchen in the world. This 4-piece bamboo cutting board set from Royal Craftwood has all of the most commonly utilized sizes that you would ever need. The importance of using the right cutting surface is paramount to keeping your knives sharp and preventing damage to both your knives and your kitchen surfaces. Bamboo cutting boards are naturally antibacterial, sustainable, and food safe. With proper care, these natural bamboo wood cutting boards will last you for a very long time, complete with a juice groove, which makes them perfect to use not only as cutting boards, but also for carving meats and other juicy items such as vegetables. The juice grooves will prevent the juices from running all over your countertops and keep your workspace clean, even during the busiest of cooking tasks. More than just cutting boards, these sustainable bamboo carving boards can be used for serving, charcuterie boards, cheese displays, etc. Number 3. Meter Plus Wireless Bluetooth Instant Treat Smart Thermometer. Every kitchen on the planet needs a trusted instant treat thermometer. Sit back and relax while you monitor your cooking progress with the integrated smartphone app. Featuring a 165-foot wireless Bluetooth range, the Meter Plus Bluetooth Smart Thermometer from Traeger Grills is actually 2 thermometers in one. The wireless battery-powered probe monitors both the internal cooking temperature of meat or the dish you're cooking, but also the ambient air temperature surrounding your food. Gone are the days of having to guess if the item you are cooking is done or up to a safe temperature to consume. The Meter Plus smartphone app is for both iOS, Apple, and Android-powered smartphones and allows you to wirelessly monitor the probe from the comfort of your easy chair while your dishes cook to perfection. The app also features an advanced algorithm built in to give you done time estimates, so you can plan the remainder of your meal around when your item finishes cooking. Is your grill or oven farther away than 165 feet? No worries, Traeger has you covered with the optional Meter Wi-Fi extender and cloud features as well. Number 2. Mercer Culinary Genesis 5-piece kitchen knives. These knives are built to last. From the experts of all things cutlery, the Mercer Genesis Series 5-piece knife set features incredibly superior blade durability, a non-slip Santoprene comfort grip, NSF certification, and is backed by an incredible warranty. This basic 5-piece set features almost all of the knives you will need for at-home cooking: a chef's knife, a bread knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife. The best way to care for your fine kitchen knives is just to wash them in hot water with a little non-abrasive dish soap and towel dry them. A good set of knives will last a lifetime if you follow 2 easy steps. Never put your kitchen knives in the dishwasher, and always have them routinely professionally sharpened at least once or twice a year by a reputable cutlery sharpening company. This is no time to utilize that random vendor at your local flea market, or take your knives to a random bait, tackle, or outdoor hunting knife or hardware store, my friends. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Max XL 5.8 Quart. Air fryers have been all the rage for years now, and there's a good reason. They make quick work out of cooking fried foods without extra calories from oil or smoking up your kitchen with splattering hot grease. However, the number 1 complaint most air fryer users have is that the capacity is always too small. The Cosori Air Fryer Max XL 5.8 Quart comes in a variety of colors and is truly the answer to your prayers. This very large capacity air fryer will make quick work out of your favorite fried foods. We all have in our own house the remains of really old antique kitchen appliances that have been passed decently from generation to generation among family members. Now it's time to renew these kitchen appliances. What kitchen appliance should I give as a gift to someone who loves to cook? Or if I wanted to buy myself something special for the kitchen of my house, what should it be? Or what is the most favorite kitchen appliance? We tried to find answers to questions like, we hope this video was useful for you. Please let us know by also mentioning other products that are important to you in the comments. If you like the video, you can support me by subscribing. If you don't like it, if you specify the reason for this in the comments, you will have made a great contribution to me and my development. Thanks for watching the video and taking the time. Have a good day.